Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to play Aviator on Betway. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betway.com. Once you type it in, it will take you to this website. Now in this website, you'll have to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this button where it says sign up. Once you have your account, click on this login button. Then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. So go ahead and do that. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Now once you have entered your credentials, click on this login button. Then you'll be taken to its home page. Now, in this page, at the top bar, you can see Sports, Casino, Live Casino, Esports. You'll have to click on the second option, that is Casino. Click on it. You'll be taken to this page. Now, in this page, click on this search bar, then type in Aviator. Once you type it in, click on this icon. Once you click on it, now you can play the game. First of all, you need to deposit some money into your account, then you can start playing. So that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.